In this video, I want to show you what to do in case your Powerbeats Fit are not working. There's multiple things you can try, so let's get started. First thing, there's a good chance that they're not working since they're not able to charge. So what I suggest is you take another charger and another cable than usual. Let's say I was using this one to charge them. Well, ask a friend, or maybe you have another one around the house, and use a different charger and cable. Connect over here on the USB Type-C port and wait at least 2 to 3 hours just to give it enough time to fully charge in case the battery was completely dead. After doing this, go ahead and try using them. Maybe this has fixed the issue. If you're still having problems with them, I suggest you put them both inside of the case, and then you're going to press this button over there for 10 seconds until the light on the front turns to red. This will be a reset and it can fix many things. So let me do it with you. I'm keeping press that button and I'm looking at that light, and after 10 seconds you're going to see it blinking red. I'll be able to remove my finger when this happened. So almost there. Okay, it blinked red. I can release my finger and now they are factory reset. So you'll have to reconnect them to your iPhone or Android, PC or Mac computer. And fortunately, they will start working after you do this. It's also recommended before you're doing the factory reset I showed you to remove them from your iPhone or Android device. So go into the Bluetooth settings before doing the factory reset, find them, okay, Powerbeats Fit, press the icon and select forget this device. Forget device. Forget device. And then do the factory reset I just showed you. This will just increase the chances of them working again afterwards. Another thing that you can do, depending if this is your issue, is to go ahead and clean the mics of these Powerbeats. So you see there's 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3 on both of the earbuds. Take a toothbrush, something, and simply gently brush them. Over time there's dust, there's debris, many other things, hair that gets accumulated on them, and if the mics are blocked, the noise cancellation will not work and the transparency mode will not work as well, and you may be confused why this is happening. Well, again, just simply clean them and they should be working again quickly afterwards. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have other suggestions on how to fix the issue, I want to know, so leave a comment as well. Thanks.